A review of MySQL by Rebecca Blundell and brought to you by Open Source Solutions. MySQL is a relational database management system, which is a database organized in smaller tables rather than having all of the information in one long table. Having these separate tables adds speed and flexibility to a normal database. With a simple query made within the system, users can combine different information from different tables. Using SQL, or Structured Query Language, MySQL is fast, reliable, and standardized for widespread use. These features make the program very attractive to nonprofits, as well as many of the world's fastest-growing organizations such as Facebook, Google, Adobe, Wikipedia, Twitter, and many others. MySQL can be very efficient for powering high-volume websites as well as being used in business-structured databases. The open-source software saves money for companies since it is freely distributed, and it saves time since the software can be modified for the company's benefit. It performs well and is very stable, especially when hundreds of people are accessing the same data concurrently. It also scales well, running on anything from a small PC to a large multiprocessor system. MySQL appeals to many companies and nonprofit organizations because it is a great database for handling very large data sets. Tables can contain millions of records, which is great when organizations have mailing lists of very large sizes or keep records of customers' sales or finances. One advantage of the MySQL software is that it runs on more than 20 different platforms including Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. It offers a comprehensive range of database tools, support, training, and consulting services. Its high performance is accompanied by strong data protection, and it's great for very large data sets. However, there are a few disadvantages to the MySQL software compared to a commercial database application. The MySQL program does not support subselects, which are like a query within a query, therefore narrowing the search. With other missing features such as triggers, which are a SQL procedure that initiates an action, such as inserting, deleting, or updating parts of the database is not as simple to use and transactions are not handled efficiently. MySQL downloads directly from the MySQL website with simple installation. Along with the software, included is product documentation and the command line client tool, which is a useful resource in management of users and database queries. It also comes with the MySQL Workbench, in which the databases can be designed and modeled. The Workbench has an easy-to-navigate layout in which a user can quickly connect to existing databases, run SQL queries, edit data, manage database objects, create and manage models, configure a database server, and even set up user accounts. While it is not recommended for complex database queries, MySQL is a great database program for nonprofits and businesses due to its no cost and great features. Download MySQL at www.mysql.com.